The question of whether evil is born or made fascinates both scientists and philosophers alike. Picture a baby, wide-eyed and innocent, encapsulated in a serene nursery. Giggles and cooing fill the air, creating a picturesque scene of purity and joy that contrasts sharply with the weight of what lies ahead in this young life's journey. As we transition from this peaceful array of innocence, an abrupt juxtaposition reveals itself. Flashing police lights and sirens pierce the tranquility as we delve into the stark reality of the world. Crime scene footage highlights the gruesome effects of human malice, beckoning us to question the very nature of morality. It's a shocking reminder that the journey from cradle to courtroom can be perilous, filled with unforeseen terrors and tragedies. Imagine a scenario. Years have passed, and that same innocent baby stands trial for unspeakable acts. It's a jarring shift that invites us to explore the anomalies within the human brain. Neuroscientists have conducted in-depth scans on the brains of individuals convicted of heinous crimes, revealing something profoundly unsettling. Those scans unveil a diminished activity in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain tasked with regulating moral judgment. At the same time, the amygdala, a structure synonymous with fear and aggression, displays heightened activity, suggesting the potential for violent impulses. What if these brain irregularities are not random? Could they be intrinsic markers of a predisposed nature towards violence? As illuminated by recent neurological studies, the findings prompt an unsettling hypothesis. The roots of crime may lie in our biology. The dark truth of these investigations stirs an array of emotions as we ask ourselves, are killers simply products of their environments, or are they shaped by something darker within their neural architecture? The visual interplay further illustrates this chilling narrative. 3D animations depict brain scans pulsating with ominous red light around the prefrontal cortex, overlaying mugshots of infamous serial killers with scientific data points. A haunting phrase lingers above these visuals: born to kill. It beckons the audience to confront this unsettling quandary. Do psychological glitches lurk in the unseen corners of our minds, waiting to unleash chaos upon society? In navigating this intricate labyrinth of human behavior, one thing remains certain. Understanding the origin of evil requires a multidimensional approach, one that encompasses biology, environment, and psychology. As we ponder this profound dilemma, we inch closer to unraveling the complexities of human nature, daring to confront the very essence of what it means to be alive. The screen flickers to life. A stark black and white montage of infamous killers unfolds, their faces a chilling reminder of humanity's darkest corners. From the cold, calculating gaze of Bundy to the haunting, troubled eyes of Warnos, each image lingers like a shadow over society. Silent clips capture the grim reality of their courtroom battles, an uneasy mix of charisma and malevolence in their expressions. This visual tapestry lays bare a profound question. Were they predestined for darkness, or shaped by a world that molded their fate? In contrast, the animation of two children serves as a poignant allegory. One child, enveloped in love, blooms under nurturing care, while the other, shrouded in violence, drifts toward a life shadowed by despair. As their paths split, the child who knows only kindness blossoms into a teacher, a beacon of hope. The other, however, transforms into a shadowy figure, weapon in hand, embodying loss and aggression. This juxtaposition accentuates a central theme: the duality of human potential, shaped by environment and experience. Richard Ramirez, known as the Night Stalker, watched the world through a lens steeped in brutality, his childhood devoid of tender moments. Meanwhile, Ted Bundy personified charm and intelligence, yet his inner void echoed loudly. Psychologists propose a striking thought. Was their darkness inherent, or intricately woven by life's harsh threads? The distinction between good and evil blurs, suggesting that beneath the surface, we all harbor violent thoughts. Yet some are devoid of the brakes that guide moral choices. The narration prompts a chilling introspection, urging us to question the nature of evil. Could it lurk in a friend or family member? Might we too harbor untapped potential for darkness within ourselves? As the visuals dance to the crescendo of tense strings and a throbbing bass, the closing mirror scene grips the viewer, reflecting their face distorted into a silhouette of a criminal. Screen fades to black with a haunting whisper, leaving a lingering question: born evil or just broken? Curso. This thought resonates. compelling each viewer to confront the unsettling truths of human nature and the psychological divide we often overlook.